One of the reasons why it's so important to regularly examine your testicles is that you know what is normal for yourself. That way, if you feel anything abnormal, you can get this seen as soon as possible by your healthcare provider. Now, the vast majority of testicular lumps are not cancer. It could be conditions such as a varicocele, hydrocele, an epididymal cyst, amongst many others. However, it's still important to know what's normal for you, just so it's really clear once there's something that isn't quite fitting the usual pattern for yourself. Your doctor would usually recommend that you examine yourself at least once every month. We suggest that you do the examination after you've had a warm shower or bath. That is because it relaxes the scrotum, which is the area that holds your testicles. This makes it a lot easier to notice any lumps or bumps or any other abnormalities. As doctors, we also advise patients to perform this examination while stood up, as this also adds to the ability to find things a lot easier on self-examination. Allow me to demonstrate it with this pair of oranges. Now, imagine that these are your testicles. You want to examine each testicle separately. You want to hold a testicle in place with your thumbs, middle and index fingers, and then you roll your testicle in between your fingers and repeat this until you're able to fully examine the entire testicle for any lumps or bumps. When examining yourself, you may feel a small collection of tubes that are behind the testicle. This is the epididymis. The function of the epididymis is to help with the transport of sperm. So like I said before, there are several different things that can cause testicular or scrotal lumps. Now, a testicular cancer usually presents as a painless lump that is directly within the body of the testes. Make sure you check out one of my other videos which goes through in a lot of detail some of the common causes of testicular and scrotal lumps. I've had quite a few people ask me this question about how to properly examine themselves, and I hope that today's video gives you a lot more clarity on the steps involved with this. As always, if you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and make sure you check out some of our other videos on this channel. And until the next time, I'll see you soon.